Welcome back. Hartford Healthcare recently opened the Health Desk at 100 Pearl Street, right in the center of downtown Hartford. It's the first of its kind. This location is one of 32 urgent care centers accessible to community members in Connecticut. Joining us live with more from the Health Desk at 100 Pearl is Dr. Eric Walsh. Welcome back. He is the medical director of Hartford Healthcare Go Health Urgent Care. Thanks for being here, doctor. Tell us what kind of care we can get there.
Well, thanks for having me back. This is a very unique and innovative center. You can come in here and actually get much of what you can get in one of our standard urgent cares in terms of point of care testing for everything from flu to strep, to urinalysis, all while at the same time being able to see one of our providers virtually when you go and sit in the room. So the space is designed to be very convenient for everyone who's working and living downtown to be able to quickly come in, get their medical care taken care of, and be on their way and get back about their business for the day.
Yeah, that can be really important if you're not sure what's wrong with you on a lunch break. Real quick, what is the difference about this model of care?
Well, the primary difference is that the provider is not here on site. The provider is virtual, but by having a medical assistant here to run the test, get vital signs, it actually allows us to be able to get more information to the provider than you'll get if you just do a virtual visit, like from your couch at home. And that actually is the layer that actually adds a whole lot to this experience for the patients, because they can walk away knowing that they don't have strep or don't have flu, or that they do, and be treated appropriately for it.
Yeah. What does it mean, you think, to have access to urgent care right in downtown Hartford?
It's huge. I mean, I grew up here. I grew up in Bloomfield and used to come downtown a whole lot. Wonderful to see the revitalization of downtown. But being able to walk into a spot like this, if you live down here or work down here, and be able to get access to care so quickly and be able to deal with some of the common things that we all have to deal with is very meaningful. And it allows the overall system, our wonderful Hartford healthcare system, to be able to increase the number of access points for our patients. And many of them work right here downtown. Of course, our headquarters for Hartford Healthcare is here downtown as well, in
Yeah.
this building.
Yeah, as a former resident of downtown, it's great. Walk in and get your help. Real quick, Memorial Day weekend's coming up. We don't want to end up in the hospital. What's your advice for staying safe?
This weekend, make sure that especially you're doing things like water sports, you're taking all of the necessary precautions. Make sure you're wearing your sunscreen. If you're drinking alcohol, alternate a drink with a glass of water at least, and make sure that so that you don't dehydrate. Also, this is tick season, and it seems as if we have a stronger tick season than normal. Be very careful if you're doing gardening or walking, hiking through the woods. All of that, you have to really be careful, because this is a season where a lot more of these tick bites and insect bites. So just keep that in mind. Spray on your repellent when necessary, and cover up the way that you should.
Absolutely. Those ticks can really cause a problem. Doctor, thanks so much for being with us. And for more information, you can go to gohealthuc.com/Hartford. Now you know.